What's up, YouTube? Here today I'm working on the 06 Jeep Commander 5.7, and I will be installing aftermarket radio using the PAX C2R-CHY4 interface. And I know some people run into the problem, and just for your information, yes, this is the one with the navigation system. But like I was saying, this piece right here, I know some of you guys run into an issue where you line up everything, you know, how you're supposed to, and you get like a clicking sound and your lights are flashing here and the radio's turning on and off, and you just don't know what to do. Yeah, some people run into a problem and like that, they just find out, and you know, they keep paying for a different piece and whatnot. But I'm gonna show you guys what to do to fix that problem. I mean, it's worked for me. I installed this same exact stereo on my other Jeep, the same exact year and model, but I got the factory amplifier, so I wired all my front speakers to the back. So you see a lot of taped up wires here. Those are the ones I'm not using. So these are the actual wires that I'm using. So it's a lot of mismatched colors, you know. Alright. But, so here's the fix for that. Right here, near the PAX piece. Oh, give me a second, it's hard to do this with one hand. Right here, near the PAX piece, there's a pink and a black and pink wire. What you need to do to solve that flashing and that clicking sound and the radio not turning on is you need to snip the pink and black wire right there. Just cut it. I mean, you could cut it wherever you want to, but I cut mine. So you see how long this regular pink wire, I cut it in the middle like that. But you need to snip the pink and black wire and just tape it off, put it to the side. So you see there's mine, taped off, put to the side. Leave the pink, solid pink wire connected. Let me pull it out so I can give you guys a better look. So just like I did, this is the pink and black. Cut it, taped off. It's solid. Plugged up, no clicking sound. Ready on. Got the fuse here. There we go. Clicking sound. Everything works. The next piece is not clicking, it's not flashing. It reads this. This off real quick. C2R-CHY4 can work on an 06 Jeep Commander. This is the plug you need. So if you already bought this plug, don't go mess around. And make sure you guys wire it properly, because I think there's, some people that don't like to follow instructions like myself, but make sure you wire if you have a factory amplifier. And one way you'll know if you have a factory amplifier, plug this in, and facing, if you see that wire, if you don't see another wire on the side of it, on the opposite side, then you have a factory amplifier. So that means you have to wire the front speakers from the actual aftermarket radio plug. So you see my white and black goes to right here. To the green and black. Sorry, I was trying to angle it for you guys to see. But there's a green and black wire right there. You see it's all like, it's tied up, so I was trying to free it for you guys, but didn't really work. But the white and black goes to the green and black, and the solid white goes to solid green. Gray and black goes to purple and black. It's right here, gray and black goes to purple and black. Purple goes to gray. And that's why I have all the extra wires taped off that I didn't use, because there is going to be a couple speaker wires that are not in use. But yeah, so that's how you wire everything.